Clonk. Whoa, whoa. Earthquake. Uh-oh. Hold on. Oh, shit. It's a big one. Oh, shit. Oh, no. That's a big one. Are you okay, Yuki? Daijoubu? That was... Hold on a second. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go make sure that Kupo and Yuki are okay.
I really love... Oh. Oh, that's a big earthquake. Oh, shit.
Earthquake. Earthquake.
Oh, oh, shit. This is a big one. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Okay, this is big. Oh, shit. Okay. Okay, okay. We're good. Oh, this is big. What the fuck?